Hey guys, Robert Arnold videos here. Today there's a thunderstorm happening here. Yeah. You seeing that? I hope it doesn't hit any pylons.
It's raining. Can you hear that on my umbrella?
Yeah, I can hear it. I can feel it on me as well. Wow.
I can't put my umbrella over me. Whoa!
Jesus Christ.
That was beautiful.
Jesus. So I just got taking pictures.
Jesus, this is a lot of...
I just caught that.
Whoa, this is amazing.
Oh, I just caught that.
What I'm getting is fully down because I don't really need it. Now get up, you mummy. Look at that. It's...
Think we're gonna hear some noise soon, Mama.
We might not do, darling. We might just get lightning. Oh, sorry. Telephone.
Help me, Phoebe.
That's not pretty.
I don't really need it.
Did you hear that?
Oh my god, that's beautiful. Mum, when you heard a thunder, you should have said, I think I spoke too soon.
Whoa.
It's beautiful.
Did you hear the thunder there, Mum? Whoa.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, the best night ever. Oh, did you caught that? Whoa, did you caught that?
Highlight of the whole sky. Oh, it's amazing. Wow, this is amazing.
Did you hear the thunder earlier, Matt?
Isn't it beautiful, Matt? All you can see is a big light show.
Oh,
I love thunderstorms.
I love them, man. I used to hate them because they kept waking me up. I'm running to sleep. Yeah, I used to. I lied on your back in the one in 2013. Hug me.
And I grabbed you.
You weren't angry with me, were you?
No, because you're little.
Matt, you sure you don't need
Oh no, I was only about 8, Mum. Mum, I was only about 7. Not that little. Not like 3 or 4. Go on, thunder.
I didn't got my drink to give it to a homeless.
Yeah.
You've been too nice for your own good, you are, man.
Alright, so have we. You alright there, Priscilla? Go and get your mum to give you a big cuddle.
I'm not
Power
gonna
car!
Stop. Please stop.
I'm gonna be up all night.
Oh mate, me too. 10, 9, 8, 7. Right, I'm going up, I'm coming down here. To get a big bit of thunder and lightning. Oh,
May last
Matt,
a lot.
keep those lights off.
Oh, Robert, you
Oh,
stop
did
it,
you see
they're
that?
for kids.
The flash on and off. It's annoying.
Can you send this to my phone, Mum? Yeah. Well, sit down.
That's your phone.
I want to sit down. My legs hurt.
Sit on the pavement, please.
No.
Or on the doorstep. Go,
What?
go watch the video.
She ain't scared, is she? Is she scared? Does she love fun? You alright, Priscilla?
Ready?
Priscilla, you alright?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. I'm happy. Oh, I love it. I heard a bit of thunder earlier. Yeah, it went.
Turn the light up. Turn that light up and I'll go see it in here. And I'll let the light
I pick on everyone. Where's the. What, where?
open.
It's between the arm. Well, where? I'm trying to look for it, right? Rach, I can't find it. Come here. Phoebe.
It's down here, look, there.
Whereabouts?
Look out before the tape on you always open.
Go on then, Rach. Get it. No, that's my feet. Oh!
Priscilla got it bad, that day.
Yeah, really bad.
Getting really bad now.
Yeah.
No, just get open it.
Matt? Oh. Right, I'm coming over here to get a good view. What tornado? Some of the clouds look like tornadoes though, Mum. Did you see the one that went above our heads? Some of the clouds look like tornadoes for me. I want to hear the thunder.
Robert, I'm going to take this down, mate. It says we tornado. We can fly off.
Get ready. Alright, give me that. Give me that umbrella.
But you know.
Where's the thunder?
It's fun as well, you know.
You mean lots?
Ow! I'll get jarred in the head with your umbrella one more time, mate.
It's so hard.
It's just so hard. What? Stop bashing it into the sunlight.
How ridiculous is that? Come over here, look. You'll be able to see it better from over here. Mum? Yeah, it's very windy. We're probably gonna get some like rumbling soon. Some thunder. Jesus. Fucking hell. Oh. You seeing this storm? Are you seeing this, Mum? Ow. Yeah, that's right. I'm going inside to record it.
No, you're going to let the cats out. No, you're not going in my room either. So think again, 4 hours. You've got mucky shoes on, you keep standing all over my bloody bed.
Then take them off then. Let me take them off then. Good mother.